Hello and welcome to Crochet Smash. Today we are going to make a winter cap or a beanie using a bayonet premium yarn in yellow and white. The yellow here. And I'm going to use a 5 mm crochet hook. So we will start with a magic circle. And then we are going to put it up and make a single crochet, 1 and 2 chains. We make 10 double crochet. The first chains making 1 double crochet, so 1 2 3 4, make 10 double crochet and we will meet again. So we made a 10 double crochet. Now we can tighten the magic circle just like that. Now we can slip stitch to the top of the initial chains we made and go through the loop. Okay, that is our first round is done. Now let us cut the yarn and lock it in place. Now we take the next color and attach that one to any of the stitches. Just pull it through, then make chain 3. 1 2 3. This is an increasing round, so we are going to make 2 double crochet in each stitch. First chain 3 is considered as the first double crochet, then make another double crochet, then the next chain also, next stitch also we make 2 double crochet. So make 2 double crochet in each of the stitches. We will have 20 double crochet in this round. So this round has 20 double crochets and we are going to slip stitch the top of the first chain 3. And we are going to cut the yarn and lock it in place. If you want to use another color, you can do it right now, but I'm going to use only white and yellow. So I'm going to add my white to one of the stitches. Just insert your hook in any stitch you want, then bring the yarn, attach the yarn, then 1 2 3 chains and make 1 double crochet. So 2 double crochets in first stitch, the next stitch we make 1 double crochet, the next one we are going to make 2 double crochet, and the next stitch is 1 double crochet. So you can repeat the pattern like 2 double crochet in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So finish with this pattern and you will have 30 stitches. 30 stitches. This will be enough for a newborn. So I will show you how to use your hook to weave the yarn in. Insert the hook between from the inside of the cap. Just grab your yarn tail in like this. You can just insert, grab the yarn, bring it in, just like that. It is so secure, and you can cut the yarn there. These ones I already tucked inside. So that's it. Within an hour you can make a small cap like this for to give us a gift or for your own newborn baby. Just do in one color or make as many colors as you want. Fun and easy cap. Thanks for watching. See you next time with another pattern.